Luge Starks with Stark Screenscapes at home. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh yeah, so a lot of people ask me what's one of my top jobs to perform, and I would have to say at the top of the list is painting. One, because it's peaceful, it's relaxing, and number two would be it's because of the value it brings, and it makes old things look brand new. Oh yeah, check this out.